LB Squad, it's your girl Keela and I'm back today with another video. So today I thought it would be a nice gesture or nice idea to show y'all a video how I put on me and my daughter's press-ons. We do press-ons because, I mean, a lot of people do press-ons, but it's easier, it's more convenient. You put them on, put them off when you want to. Just that kind of deal. But first things first, I have to manicure her. So I'm gonna show y'all what I put. So first thing first, I get a little bowl. We don't eat out of these bowls. These are just my decor bowls. So I use one of these. And I put a little bit of Dr. Teal's in there. I put a little bit of my milk and honey powder from Luxe Glam Boutique. Y'all check them out. Then I put just a little bit of alcohol, you know, make sure the nails are all clean and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix all this stuff in a bowl and then we're gonna get started. Alright y'all, so we got everything all mixed up in the bowl. I'm gonna show y'all her nails from Pretty Pressed. These are hers that she's gonna be putting on. And so we start by doing a manicure, make sure the cuticles and all that stuff is right. So I'm gonna show y'all our mixture in the bowl. That's the mixture in the bowl. So now she's gonna soak her fingers in the bowl. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on doing her manicure. You always wanna manicure your nails first because that's what makes your press-on last the longest. Alright y'all, so we are done with her press-ons, and now we are about to do mine. So I gotta give me some fresh bowl of water so I can do my own manicure and everything. And I'm gonna let y'all watch me do mine too. It's pretty much the same process. If y'all wanna watch to the end while I do mine, y'all can, but if not, y'all pretty much got to see how we put ours on when I did my daughter's. But yeah, let me get my fresh water and let me jump into putting my nails on. guys, I am all done. Here's mine. Can you guys see? Let me turn the camera around. Huh? Mm-hmm. Stop making that like that. Yeah, but camera won't show. Ouch. There we go. So, yeah. I am completely done with my nails. I'm about to clean up all of my mess. And that's going to be the end of this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. And see y'all later.